Hi everybody, my name is Teresa, and I am going into my second year of teaching this fall. So it was interesting first year teaching in COVID, as everyone constantly told me and reminded me how different it normally is. I am a science teacher for mostly freshmen and sophomores in high school at Goddard public schools. So I'm at Eisenhower High School just outside of Wichita in Kansas. This is a career shift for me. After I graduated with my undergraduate degree in biology, I worked in a compounding pharmacy for a long time, about 7 years, where we were individually making prescriptions for patients. And in that role, I possessed a lot of kind of training roles that I had to do. So I was teaching new employees what they needed to know about compounding, essentially. And that I always got comments that I made a good leader and that I made a great teacher in that aspect. So that kind of teaching is far different from classroom teaching, but they do possess some similarities. Currently, I'm not in a leadership position, and I don't really have a strong desire to be like a principal or anything like that. Potentially maybe a department head, but we'll see where things go. So at the moment, I don't have any leadership plans. I just got married a couple weeks ago, actually, and we just returned yesterday from our honeymoon in Hawaii. So it was really nice in Maui. Never been there before, so we experienced a lot of new things together, which was great. And now I have a busy month ahead with this class and a couple other courses, and then back to the school year in August. Based on my personal experience, good leaders tend to be leaders who have done some of the lower ranking jobs before, I guess, is one thing that I have noticed. So if they've kind of been in the trenches with you and are willing to get in the trenches with you, then I always find that that is some great leadership. Bad leaders are the ones that tend to have not been in the trenches with you, and they don't know the full extent of your job or how to lead you through that job. So some attributes I think that leaders possess also that I have seen from my principals throughout this year have been willingness to help, being kind to each other, and asking you to be kind to yourself and giving yourself some grace in those ways. But leaders also need to be firm in some sense. So I have seen a fair amount of wishy-washiness also in my previous job, and that never really provided me with a good sense of them being a great leader. A little other piece of background, I'm the oldest of 5 kids, so naturally I've been told that I'm a leader. I do tend to kind of take some of those leader things on if necessary, but I don't always feel like I possess all the natural leadership skills, so I'm hoping to learn maybe a few tools from this course to apply at least to the classroom, potentially other areas of my life as well. So looking forward to meeting all of you. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.